You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation, yes, and this one is a confusing one. A breed of sheep, and there are different pronunciations. Any breed of hardy, hornless, relatively small sheep. So there are different pronunciations for it, and I think that's because it comes from French cheviot, the French pronunciation. So you have Cheviot is one of the pronunciations, also Cheviot with a ch sound, and you have the more French sounding one, which is Cheviot, okay, sh with a sh sound. So Cheviot, Cheviot, or Cheviot. There might even be Cheviot, because in French it's Cheviot. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.